SETLHARE ENERGY again, here to install at my parents' house. And yeah, enough of doing hi, this is SETLHARE ENERGY whilst your own parents don't have a backup system. Well, they do, because what I've done is they've always had this inverter. There we go. They run with that gel battery. So literally, I've just come to improve on that. Unfortunately, there's not enough space. As you can see, let me turn the camera. This is what you've got. There's a DB. You know the houses in the Kukasi, you know. So I'm gonna basically try and fix that. Get it to comply. Put a proper earth leakage as well. And then yeah, let's see how it goes. But given that it's here, I'm going to probably connect it in the living room. It's unfortunate, but that's how it is. So Papa, looking at the system now, unfortunately it's gonna go in here. And how do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? Looking at the backup system? Huh?
It must be good.
Yeah, it must be good, ne?
Yeah.
Alright, sharp. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so see you on the other side.
Let's get this party going. So we start by mounting our DB box and obviously using a spirit level to make sure that everything is nice and straight. Engineering lines are very important in our designs, and that's what makes our design look very presentable. And then there we go, cutting the trunking using our favorite tool there, the oscillating tool. And yeah, spirit level all the time. Mounting of the inverter started. There we start making holes where all the wiring for the inverter is gonna go in. Then we drill the wall, and then we make sure that it is nice and straight mounted. Then we start with the battery fuses, and that goes in. We measure, make sure that it's right in the center of the inverter, right below it. And then we cut the second trunking using our favorite tool again. And then we make sure that it's the same size as the top one. Once that's in, we use the spirit level to get as low as possible. Then we use the battery. There's a battery bracket template that comes with its Dyness, as we love them because it makes it so much easier for us. We don't have to measure everything else. We just have to make sure that it's just straight, and it helps. And yeah, so there goes the brackets, and these brackets can be a pain because the screws or the coach screws that they come with are very problematic. So we just buy our own size 10 coach screws, work for us. And there we go, trying to mount the battery or the brackets and making sure that it aligns, so it's on and off. And then once it's in, we can simply just put it in. And obviously adjusting the brackets also an issue, making sure that they're strong and using the right screws. And then there it is, the battery is up, and once the battery is up, we screw it on the sides to make sure it's secure, and it can easily fall on someone. It's like 50 kgs falling on someone, so it really needs to be secure. And we start wiring the DB box and making sure that all the protection in there, from your surge arrestor to your earth leakage. And for this particular installation, we've put in a 20 amp circuit breaker. 20 amp makes sure that there's less, if there's more than 4.7 kilowatts out of this inverter, it will trip. So that's protection, it will protect this your investment in a way. So yeah, so protection, I can't stress it enough. This business is all about protection and making sure that we comply. So earth leakage always needs to be there to make sure that nobody gets shocked. Protect your family, protect your loved one, and us that are working on the system. So yeah, enough about protection. And then there we go, everything is up and running, the battery cables are in, and I think it's time to switch on. We are ready to switch on. Can you switch on for us there, brother? Switch on. Here we go. Not on. Okay, so we're gonna try it one more time. Can we have a switch on? There we go. And we are on. Let's see if power is in there. Yes, red button is on, red light is on, green light is on, meaning that we are good. So we can close up everything, close the brackets, close the trunking, go see there cleaning up for us. And yeah, and then finally we make sure that we put Papa's mirror on the wall, and start labeling. Labeling is everything. It helps for everyone who's going to be working in the system in the future and who's working on it. So labeling, it also makes it look professional and makes it look very nice. And with that said, we are done.
And there it is. A 5 kilowatt system with a 5 kilowatt battery, and the old man should be dead happy. Simon?
Yeah,
Are you
I'm happy now.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Are you happy?
No more load shedding.
No more load shedding.
Yes.
Okay, and yeah, so enjoy it, and I think you deserve it. You know, I can't be putting backup in people's houses, and then you are left in the dark. So there we go.
There we go.
All right, Tama.
Thank you.
Sharp.